District 54 mentor team's job is to help guide and support the new teachers. Their job is to help the new teachers reflect on their teaching and develop goals to become a better teacher.
They always have a variety of ideas, whether it's tied to curriculum, management, behavior, assessment, you name it. They're always offering their expertise in all areas of education.
The mentor team this year in particular took it upon themselves last year and this year to focus on the student ambassador program and how they could support the student leadership in the district. The team rolled up their sleeves to look at what could that leadership potentially look like from the student seat from 3rd through 8th grade.
They gave me advice in so many areas that you're not taught in college. There are so many things when being a teacher that just come up, and there's no textbook that just tells you how to do everything. And the mentors truly have so many areas of expertise, and they have so much experience that they just give away to us. I mean, I feel like every time I have a meeting with my mentor, it's like I just finished a whole year's worth of college classes. That's how much I've learned.
Not only do they have a large impact on us as teachers by providing us with new instructional strategies and ideas, but they are focusing on the needs of the whole child. They are truly a team that goes above and beyond to ensure student success.
Our relationship is so unique that I always feel comfortable sharing anything in regard to my classroom or my school. I always look forward to my mentor meetings each week because I know I'll always walk away with a smile and a lesson learned.
Since induction week, they have been nothing but supportive and optimistic, and they get you excited about everything that District 54 has to offer. They get you excited and motivated to be a better teacher.
Each and every one of them is willing to help problem solve a situation or come up with a new strategy to create a classroom environment that is successful and comfortable for my students. They have offered their expertise in all areas of education.
The District 54 mentor team is extraordinary. Everyone is so enthusiastic, and they just have such a passion for teaching and learning. Their enthusiasm is always so contagious, and they're always inspiring so many within our district.